we start with 4 exercises for body contact in tango. First of all, we start vertical, pull the stomach in and shoulders down, and we put weight back to our heels, and then we put weight forward to balls of foot with upper part of the legs and stomach in tonus. So again back and again forward. This is action we use to create contact. So we start approximately 15 centimeters apart from each other. As you see, between our toes are this distance, and also between our bodies, same distance. So we will transfer weight forward and our bodies meet each other, right front to right front. And if we go back to heels, you see there is no body contact. Now we will do same thing, but in this time my body will not touch lady's body, but my hand represents positive movement. As we move forward, man will create positive body contact, and now vice versa, lady will move forward and she will create more positive contact towards man. You can try this exercise to feel how one of us can do this positive body contact. Same thing when we are close, we create real body contact. Now man moves forward and creates positive contact in forward walk, and now lady will walk forward and she creates positive body contact. So we repeat this exercise. This is very basic exercise for forward and backward walk. When we put our body weight to heels, you see there is no body contact. Now we will explore our body contact when we move sideways. We will move in this direction, but we have to have some angle where one of us can push more positive body contact. In this case, lady will push man, and if we travel in that direction, man will actually push or have more positive body contact towards lady. Now the same thing, but with a real body contact. We create body contact by body weight, and now lady is more positive than man in creating body contact, and now man is more positive, moving towards lady. Now promenade position. We stand in promenade position. There is V shape between our bodies. Lady's center is connected with the right side of my body. So this position, we will move forward both, and lady will have more positive body contact. In this case, we move in promenade forward, and lady is more positive because she is behind man and moving forward. Now when we move in opposite direction, which is called Fallaway position, man will be more positive because he is in front of lady and he moves back in Fallaway position. Now the same thing with real body contact. We connect our bodies with body weight, and now lady is more positive in each step in promenade position, and in Fallaway position man is more positive, creating body contact. Let's look at different angle. So we see that lady moving forward and being behind man, she is able to create positive body contact, and now in Fallaway position, when we move in opposite direction, man will be more positive because he is in front of lady. And now let's look at walk and then natural rock turn. So man will start with left foot forward, then forward, now back, replace, back and close finish, back to side and close. Let's look again, this time focusing on lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, back. Now forward replace, forward, forward to side, close. And now let's look how we create body contact. Man is in first two steps more positive, then lady is positive, then man, then again lady, and till the end of this combination lady is more positive. Let's look again from opposite direction. Man will start forward with positive body contact. Now in first stroke lady, then man, and then lady till the end of closed ending. And now let's look how it works with real body contact. So we create body contact with body weight. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. From opposite direction, so we create body contact with body weight. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now most popular basic routine, 2 walks, progressive link and closed promenade. Man starts with left foot, forward in CBMP, forward. Forward in CBMP to side in promenade, to side in promenade, forward and across in promenade, to side and close. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, back in CBMP, back, back in CBMP, to side in promenade, to side in promenade, forward and across in promenade, to side and close. Now how we create body contact? Man starts with positive contact. Also when opening promenade in progressive link, man is more positive. Now we change. Lady goes in promenade in more positive body contact. Again, man starts forward with positive body contact. Opens lady in promenade. Now lady will move in promenade more positive. Notice that in promenade position we move in one direction, but our body contact is slightly at different angle. Let's look in real body contact and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We create body contact and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now back Corte, Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. Man starts with left foot to side, back, back and close. Now with left foot forward to side, back in Fallaway position, now slip and across ladies a line of movement and then pivot to left. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, forward between man's feet, forward to side, cross. Now with right foot back, back, back in Fallaway position. Now man goes around lady, lady puts left foot between partner's feet and turns to left. Body contact, lady starts forward with positive body contact. Now man will change to more positive body contact because he moves forward towards lady and also in Fallaway position. Now we will change because lady will go forward and man will go to side and backwards and then pivot. Let's look again. So lady will start with positive body contact. because she goes forward towards man, forward with positive body contact. Now we change. Man goes forward and then in Fallaway position. Now lady changes because she goes forward and then pivots. With teaching count, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. From opposite direction and slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at steps 1 to 2 of open telemark and then natural Fallaway, then closed promenade. Man starts with left foot, forward, to side, around lady's heel turn, then to side in promenade, now forward in promenade, slide turn to right, now back in Fallaway, now close or almost close in promenade position, to side in promenade, forward and across in promenade, to side and close. Lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, then close in heel turn, then to side in promenade, forward and across in promenade, now forward in promenade turning slightly to right, now back in Fallaway position, and close or almost close in promenade position, to side in promenade position, forward across in promenade, now to side, turn quarter turn to left and close. Let's look how we create contact. Man starts forward with positive body contact, goes around. Now in promenade position, lady will be more positive, so we move in promenade, lady is more positive. Now we move in Fallaway position where the man is more positive, and again we change in promenade position, lady will move with positive body weight towards man. So again, man will start with positive body contact. Now we achieve promenade position where the lady is more positive, moving in promenade position. Now again we change because we move in Fallaway position, so man is more positive. Again we achieve promenade position where the lady is more positive and she moves positively in closed promenade. Now with teaching count, with real body contact, we create by body weight and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we choose this routine because here is quite challenging to change promenade to Fallaway and back to promenade. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion with the count. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at routine to music. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.